Hi, this is Teacher George, and today's topic is how much and how many. Well, these two structures are used for asking about the existence of things, right? It's when we don't know how much or how many of something we had or there is, right? Or there are. So, first, we need to make a distinction here between countable nouns and uncountable nouns, all right? When we use uncountable nouns or non-countable nouns, we're going to use the question, how much, right? Or the question, is there any? So, for example, we can say, is there any sugar? How much sugar is there? Or is there any milk? How much milk is there? For countable nouns, we can use the questions. Are there any apples? Are there any bananas? Or we can use how many? How many bananas are there? Or how many apples are there? We can, of course, use these questions for asking about food and also about any other topic. For example, if we are in a city, we can ask about, is there any pollution? Or how much pollution is there? Or for countable nouns, are there any restaurants here? How many restaurants are there? Right? Now, let's understand the meanings of these questions through a short story. Okay? This is John. Look at the picture. Very popular guy around the world. Well, this is John, and he wants to buy food for his home, but he doesn't remember what he has in his fridge. So he calls home to ask about, right? He wants to ask about the existence of food in his fridge, right? So he calls home now. He wants to know about quantities, about amounts. So for uncountable nouns such as I'm gonna write here sugar, milk, or water, or bread, right? He calls home and he starts asking, right? The first question he asks is there any sugar? And probably his roommate replies, right? Yes, there is. And then John wants to know how much. He wants to know the specific amount of sugar. So he asks, how much sugar is there? And probably he receives the answer, oh, there's some sugar. Or probably there's a lot of sugar, right? For countable nouns, he asks the question, are there any? Are there any bananas? Right? So he doesn't know if there are bananas or no. And probably he receives the answer, yes, there are. And now he wants to know a specific quantity. So he asks, how many bananas are there? Right? And probably the answer would be, there are a lot of bananas. Or there are few bananas, right? Or even a number. There are 3 bananas. Okay, so these questions are for asking about the existence of things. Okay, remember, we can use the question, is there any? Right? And the uncountable now, when we don't know, when we don't remember if there is or there isn't something. And if we want a specific amount, we're going to use the question, how much is there, right? For countable nouns, when we don't know if there are or there is something, we say, are there any apples? Are there any bananas? Are there any oranges? And for learning about the specific quantity, we say, how many bananas are there? How many oranges are there? Just one final thing. As you can see, any can be used with countables and uncountable nouns in questions, right? And for specific amounts or quantities, we use how much for uncountable nouns and how many for countable nouns. And this was the video of today. Don't forget to leave your comments below. You can also suggest new topics for upcoming videos and hit subscribe. See you in the next lesson.